You're the bitch has woken up. She has a fucking math test today.
Damn it, are you serious? I am gonna be hella pumping today, oh my god.
Not my problem, bitch, I have to. Add, multiply, divide, subtract, measure, and try not to have a mental breakdown all at once.
I have a fucking math test today, are you serious right now? Well, time to go to school. Let's get this shit over with, plus deal with the drama.
What the ACTUAL? Fuck is 350 times 12 and 467 divided by 8. I'm gonna fucking burst open. What the hell, Miss Taylor?
Mind, can you help us? Me and Lungd are fighting for Michaela's life in this damn wind.
I'm helping Heart with her heart attack. Please shut the fuck up. You're making it worse, bitch.
Is there seriously funk music playing in my head at this fucking time with the actual food?